Now, your Chris 6 weather forecast with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
And we ended up with a nice day here in South Texas. You can see the sun setting and some clouds on the horizon, but all kinds of sunshine this afternoon after the low clouds and sea fog burned off. We'll do it again tomorrow, but it won't be quite as pronounced as it was today. And it was also windy, 37-mile-an-hour wind gust here in Corpus Christi, the highest anywhere in the area, 33 in Kingsville, not too far behind. Winds right now sustained at 25, so definitely blowing the mitigating effects of the cooler shelf waters, resulting in less wind near the coast. It's the opposite of that in the summertime once the water warms up. But those winds have been producing high dew point temperatures that are between muggy and oppressive, even though we're still in the middle of February right here. 67 is a pretty high dew point temperature, and that's going to lead to more sea fog rolling in tonight. You can see the visibilities along the coast are lower than inland, and that will be the trend here later tonight. The fog will form 2 to 3 miles at 2 a.m. and then on up to about 8 a.m. to 7 a.m. about 1 to 2 miles. No zero visibility per se, because the wind will keep the air stirred up, and that hinders fog formation a little bit. It's definitely going to be on the breezy side here tonight. 76 degrees right now. We'll drop into the upper 60s by midnight, but notice the winds sustained at around 25. We'll drop to about 15 by midnight, but still on the breezy side overnight and through tomorrow morning at 6 a.m., holding our temperatures well above normal for this time of the year. There's the clouds clearing out about 1 o'clock this afternoon. It ended up being a sunny day with temperatures reaching the mid-80s here in Corpus Christi, so warm and muggy. This frontal system to the north will be angling southward and will be arriving here tomorrow night around midnight or shortly thereafter. And with it, only a little bit of rain, unfortunately. It's going to be joined by this front. And the combination of the two will produce, again, much cooler air here later in the week. But with a zonal flow from west to east, the cold air knifes in underneath it because it's heavy and dense, and it'll knife in under the warmer, lighter air coming in aloft. And as a result, we won't be cold for too long, and we will see a lot of clouds with this formation. Here's the winds. Again, breezy out of the southeast overnight and in the morning. Tomorrow afternoon, the winds start to come down a little bit. And with that, we'll see the cloud cover. Here's the front, 11 o'clock tomorrow night, dividing the coastal bend in half. By 2 a.m., it's cleared the entire area, and it'll stay breezy to windy behind the front as well. Clouds and rain, well, we've just got the low clouds in the morning with fog, and then a few sprinkles around 5 p.m. up in our northeastern counties. There's the front, and just out ahead of it, a line of showers, nothing severe at 11 o'clock tomorrow night. Notice the rain is moving back from southeast to northwest. That's an overrunning pattern here for Wednesday and Thursday as that front noses into the area. And total rainfall amounts through the weekend, we're only talking about a ½ inch or less, so not very much, again, in the rainfall department. 68 tonight, 60s, in fact, everywhere in the coastal bend. Unseasonably mild. We'll be at 74 at noon tomorrow and 73 at 5 p.m. Lots of clouds tomorrow, unlike the sunshine we had today. So instead of the mid-80s, we'll stop at 81 with 74 in Port Aransas. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. 81 tomorrow. Cooler then for Wednesday and Thursday. 66 on Wednesday. Thursday, light rain likely, maybe 0.2 of an inch. 58 for the high. 54 on Friday. Then it starts to warm up again ahead of another weak front early next week.
All right.
Thank you very much, Dale.